I will be.
Thank you very much. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko lang malaman kung sino sa inyo dito ang hindi taga Maynila. Galing sa iba't ibang perfect yan. It's great. Today, I have come here, well actually last year, nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na pumunta sa iba't ibang colleges and high schools all around Metro Manila for a series of talks called Life
Una
Hour.
kayo, ano ba yan?
This particular series of talks was based on, well, ang pinaka-main thrust nun was to enable the youth and to empower the youth in believing that they are more than who they think they are. And that's all of you here today. Young people serving the Lord Jesus. And I have certain things I want to share with you dahil medyo it's exciting for me because I always enjoy singing songs and speaking about the Lord. Kasi nakikita niyo ako sa TV, nakikita niyo ako kumakanta, minsan sumasayaw. But there's a lot more. There's a lot more than just the music. There's a lot more than just the person that you see on stage or in front of the camera. And that's what I want to share with you today. Is that okay? Can we, before I even talk, can we just get together in prayer just so that